If you're looking at SuperBook Sportsbook, it helps to understand from the start that this isn't just a simple app or website where you pick winners and get paid. It's part of a much larger system called sports betting, where people place wagers on sporting events using odds that reflect probability, risk, and payout structure. Before getting into anything technical, it's important to know that sports betting is only legal for adults in specific regions, and platforms like SuperBook require users to meet strict age and location requirements before anything else becomes possible. SuperBook Sportsbook is known in the US as a regulated sportsbook brand that offers online betting and also operates in some physical casino locations depending on the state. At its core, it provides a platform where users can view upcoming sports events, see betting lines, and understand how different outcomes are valued by the system. The main sports you'll usually see include football, basketball, baseball, hockey, soccer, and sometimes niche markets like tennis, golf, or even entertainment-based events depending on the season. To understand how something like SuperBook works, you first have to understand odds. Odds are basically the language of sports betting. They tell you two things at the same time: how likely something is to happen and how much it would theoretically pay if it does happen. You'll usually see odds displayed in formats like American odds, where a positive number shows underdog payouts and a negative number shows favourites. For example, a team listed at plus 200 is considered less likely to win than a team listed at minus 150. This structure is not random. It is carefully calculated by analysts and algorithms that factor in team performance, injuries, historical data, and even public betting behaviour. When you open a platform like SuperBook, the experience is usually built around a dashboard of sports categories and live or upcoming games. Each game has what's called a betting line, which is essentially a prediction set by the sportsbook. These lines are adjusted constantly based on new information. If too many people are betting on one side, the sportsbook may shift the odds to balance risk. This is one of the key ideas people often misunderstand. Sportsbooks are not trying to predict the winner perfectly. They're trying to balance action on both sides so that the system stays profitable regardless of the outcome. Another major concept you'll encounter is something called the spread. The spread is a handicap system designed to make uneven matchups more balanced from a betting perspective. Instead of just picking who wins, you're essentially betting on whether a team will win by more than a certain number of points or stay within that margin. This is why you'll often hear phrases like covering the spread. It adds a layer of complexity because even the winning team might not cover depending on how much they win by. There are also moneyline bets, which are the simplest form of wagering in theory. A moneyline bet is just choosing which team will win outright, without worrying about margins or point differences. However, the payouts vary depending on how likely the sportsbook thinks each team is to win. Favourites usually pay less, while underdogs pay more because they are considered less likely to succeed. Beyond that, sportsbooks often offer totals, also called over/under bets. This is where you're not betting on a specific team, but instead on the combined score of both teams in a game. If the total is set at 48.5 points in a football game, you are essentially predicting whether the final score will go over or under that number. Again, that number is not random. It's based on statistical models and expected performance. In a platform like SuperBook, users also see something called prop bets, short for proposition bets. These are special wagers that focus on specific events within a game rather than the final result. For example, in a football game, there might be a prop bet on whether a certain player will score a touchdown, or how many passing yards a quarterback will achieve. These types of bets are designed to make the viewing experience more interactive, but they also introduce more unpredictability because they depend on very specific in-game situations. Live betting is another major feature that modern sportsbooks offer. This allows odds to change in real time while a game is being played. As the momentum of a game shifts, the odds adjust instantly. If a team starts poorly but then comes back strongly, the betting lines will reflect that shift almost immediately. This is one of the most dynamic parts of the system because it turns a game into a constantly changing set of probabilities rather than a fixed prediction. While all of this might sound exciting on the surface, it's important to understand the underlying structure of how sportsbooks actually operate. They build in what is called a margin, or VIG, which is a small mathematical advantage that ensures the house remains profitable over time. This means that even though individual bettors can win or lose, the system itself is designed so the sportsbook has an edge in the long run. That is why gambling should never be viewed as a reliable way to make income or financial gains. SuperBook, like other regulated sportsbooks, also includes responsible gambling tools. These can include deposit limits, time limits, and self-exclusion options. These tools exist because sports betting can become addictive for some people if not managed carefully. That's why platforms are required to encourage responsible use and provide safeguards for users who may need to take breaks or set boundaries. Another thing to understand is that access to SuperBook depends heavily on where you are located. Not every region allows online sports betting, and even in places where it is legal, rules can differ. Some states or countries require identity verification, location tracking, and strict compliance checks before a user can even see available markets. This is all part of regulation designed to ensure that gambling stays within legal and controlled boundaries. If someone were to describe the overall experience of using a sportsbook like SuperBook, it would be less about guessing games and more about interacting with a constantly updating prediction system. You are essentially reacting to data, probabilities, and shifting numbers that reflect both statistical analysis and public behaviour. However, it is still important to remember that no amount of research can guarantee outcomes in sports, because randomness and unpredictability are always part of the game. Many people are attracted to sportsbooks because of the excitement and engagement they add to watching sports. Games that might normally feel passive suddenly become more intense when there is something on the line. But that emotional intensity is also what makes it important to approach this space carefully, with awareness of risk and limitations. In summary, SuperBook Sportsbook operates as a regulated platform that connects sports fans to a system of odds, betting lines, and predictive markets built around real sporting events. It uses data, statistical modelling, and market behaviour to create pricing for outcomes, and it adjusts constantly as new information becomes available. While it may appear simple on the surface, it is actually a complex financial and mathematical system designed around probability and risk management. Anyone learning about it should focus first on understanding how odds, spreads, and totals work at a conceptual level before even thinking about participation. And more importantly, it should always be viewed in the context of entertainment rather than expectation.